Now we will see our next JavaScript interview question, that is difference between let, const and var. So first of all we will tell this let, const and var, all these keywords are used to declare JavaScript variables. Okay, now after this we will start with actual difference. So the first point is where was there in the JavaScript starting from the beginning of the JavaScript. But let and const was introduced later in the JavaScript in ES6 or ES 2015. Now the second point is var is having function level scope while let and const is having block level scope. So what do you mean by the function level scope or the block level scope? That we will see in our code. Here we will write if it's true, then that means we are just creating a block. Let marks is equal to 95. Okay, now I am writing console.log marks. Okay, now we will see what is happening in our browser. It is saying marks is not defined, but actually marks is defined inside a block. So as I said, let and const is having block level scope. That means it is not accessible outside that particular block. But if I will change it to the var, then we will see that the answer is coming because var is having the block level, not a block level scope, actually the function level scope. That's why it is accessible outside that block also. So that is the meaning of our second point. Okay. Now we will start with our third point. Variable declared with var keyword is getting hoisted, but not so with let and const. So what do you mean by hoisting? So hoisting is the phenomena by which all the variable and function declarations are always moved on the top. Okay. So how it is working, that now we will see in our code. So now I will erase this. Okay. I am just writing console.log. I will write marks. Okay, right here marks, and then I will write where marks is equal to 95. Okay, I will again write console.log. I will write marks here. Okay, now we will see what is happening. Yeah, it is saying that undefined. Okay, it is not saying that that variable is not accessible, nothing like that. It is saying undefined. But if I will change this var to let, then we'll see what is happening. Yeah, now it is saying cannot access marks before its initialization. So what is happening if we are changing it to the var? So internally what the browser is doing, it is just copying this thing, Control C, putting it here on the top. Okay, and then it is removing it from here. Internally like this it is happening inside the code. Okay, so by this way the browser is working. All the variables declared with var is always getting hoisted. That means their declarations are always moved on the top. Okay, along with these 3 points, we have one extra bonus points for you. For example, I will show you that bonus point. For example, if I will declare where marks is equal to 78, okay, then again I cannot write where let marks is equal to 77. I cannot write like this. It is saying that marks has already been declared. Okay, but if I will change it to the var, then it is possible. Yes, it is possible. Now no error at all, and we can see that value also with no issues at all. Okay, now it is coming. So with let we cannot redefine that variable again, but using var we can redefine that value again and again. So that was one extra bonus point for you. Along with this, there is a lot of difference existing between the const and the let that we will see in our further videos. Thank you very much.